Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add users or admins into your agency so that they can access and use the software. So when you log in, you'll see on this left-hand side this management page. You'll click Management. If you're an admin or a super admin, you'll be able to see this admin tab or super admin and then add people to your agency or your account. Once a user is added to your account, they can use your paid pages and paid rows. Here's how you can create an account. We click Actions, Add Account. We then fill in their information. We select their role and a phone number, their email address. Your agency will be selected. You can choose their field office and a squad if you have one. You then click Add User. So here you'll see the new account added. Right here, it'll say In Progress. So you, as the either admin or super admin of the account, come to here and you click Accept. You click Accept. You'll then see the status shows accepted. And then that person needs to check their email. Here I have an email. This is the email that user will receive from noreply@finaware.us, and it'll show account verification. Hi Mike, this is your initial password. Please click the button below to activate your account. So then I copy and paste this. I click Activate. We click Log into your account. I use the temporary password and the email used for this account. And I click Sign In. Then I now have access to this account and this agency, and I share the paid pages for this account, meaning I can upload documents into FinAware. And then to change the password, you go to Setting, you type in that temporary password that was given, and then the desired password that you want. And then you hit Save. And then your password is saved.